people think they don't know what how they can cure or treat their stretch mark. The truth is, if belly clot canal is not working proper for you, which I know is work proper, you can go for crude canal because I think it's like 10 times higher than belly clot canal. So what I'll tell you is this: if you add belly clot canal, try and add this crude canal also, so that it will be straightforward, that not when you're done that you'll be saying, oh, it did not work. No, so that this one can work or the other one can work, no matter how the stretch mark is. I tell you, because crude canal, I'm so sure, 100% sure, unless it's a spiritual problem, crude canal will always take it off, because we have a lot of oils as well too. You can see we have a lot of oils as well, so trust me on this one. People like going somewhere to go get oil, fake oil. Don't buy fake oil. You can always come to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. All of it, we have them all. We have a lot of oils, like even good fragrance as well also. Are you getting it? So I've told you about this crude canal. Yes, sometimes you can always mix it with your cream also, just small. Are you getting it? It will help you. Those Mrs. Stretch marks and all that, they will all go. By the way, uninvited guest Mrs. Stretch mark, who invited you to our body? Are you getting me? Yes, and green veins too. Yes, green veins. Yeah, I just only said about a stretch mark. How about the green vein? Oh, uninvited guests, who sent you? So please, this is what crude canal do for you. Are you getting even belly clot canal? All of them, they are very good. So you can't tell me one will not work. Always put the two in your cream as well also. Sorry guys that we run out of time. We couldn't upload video today, so that's why I'm talking about this crude canal as a special gift presentation for you. So you can always call at us at via the number on your screen. If you want to buy any of your product, just call at us. Yes, being in the US, being Canada, Europe, Asia country, UK, call at